Hey guys, it's Scarlett Build-A-Cross, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this pink lemonade jug. First, I'm going to go in with the color Colonel Mustard, and I'm going to paint the lemon. All of the colors I'll be using today are Dixie Belle colors, and if you want to learn more about those, you can check them out on our website, buildacross.com. Now I'm going in with the color Sea Glass for the ice cubes, and I'm just base coating one coat onto the ice cubes. And again, all of the paint I'm using today, I'll only be using one coat. Next, I'll be going in with the color The Gulf for the actual jug. And again, just one base coat for that. And this is a paint by line, so all of these lines are already etched into the cutout for you, and you're kind of just filling them in. It makes it super easy. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the color Peony and Cotton, and I'm going to make a light pink. I am doing this because I'm out of my color Soft Pink, but that is what I would recommend for you to use. It's much easier to not have to blend the paint together. But I'm just going in and painting the lemonade part in a pink lemonade color. And you could totally do this yellow, or you could make this sweet tea if you wanted to and use a brown color. After this, I'm going to go in with the color Peony, and I'm going to paint the straw. And then I'm going to be using a Sharpie brush stroke marker, and you can purchase these on Amazon. I know some people say they can find them at Walmart. We do not have them at our local Walmart. But this is, again, a Sharpie brush stroke marker, and it is perfect for these paint by lines. It fits into the grooves perfectly, but a tip you're going to have to remember is to make sure your product is completely dry before you go in and begin to do the detailing. If you try to use this marker on the wet paint, it will ruin your marker, and it also doesn't draw well on wet paint like paint would. So I'm just going in now with a little bit of the cotton color and a small brush and just adding some highlights around the jar and a little bit on the lemon. And then after that, this will be complete. It's very easy, especially with the Sharpie brush stroke marker. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day.